Hi, this is Avais, and today we are going to learn now that how we can use Claude in Visual Studio. First, we need to open Visual Studio, and then we have to go inside the extension section. We have to type Claude, and there you go. You have to make sure to choose the first one, which is basically Anthropic. And I have already installed it, so that's why I am saying uninstall. But you will guys will see the install button, and then you can just open any folder, and let me open my folder to just to make sure that it works perfectly, and then you guys can also use it. Okay, let me I have opened my folder. Now there you see an icon of Claude Code. You just need to click it, and yes, the extension has been installed successfully. And in this way I can just give you a demo test. Look, I just write it that is the Claude is able to read my project or not. If is it, then we are good to go. Okay, let's look into it. And I think he's is reading my project, and yes, okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so we are able to use the Claude extension in the Visual Studio Code, right? Thank you for watching.